Thank you very much for joining us here on the morning show. Our top focus in a massive relief for commuters in the congested financial capital of Mumbai. The northbound carriageway of a Mumbai coastal road has opened for traffic from today. In fact, the second phase of the coastal road connecting Worli to Marine Drive was inaugurated by Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde yesterday, and it will cut down the travel time from Marine Drive to Haji Ali just to 8 minutes. In fact, let's tell you, earlier it used to take at least 40 to 50 minutes. And the 6.25 kilometers key artery is operational only between Marine Drive and the vehicular interchange at Haji Ali and is open between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. on weekdays. Now, the ambitious Coastal Road project is an under-construction high-speed corridor that will connect the Bandra-Worli Sea Link with Marine Drive through a series of tunnels, vehicular interchanges and bridges. Let's also tell you that according to the Chief Minister, the entire project will be fully finished by next month as it aims to provide a smooth traffic movement between South Mumbai and the western suburbs. In fact, it will also help in cutting the commute time and, of course, fuel consumption.
Quite exciting it is. Will save so much travel time and can reach Worli so fast from this. Yeah. So respect to the government that they have done massive infrastructure, and also on time it is.
It's amazing work. It's going to be very helpful for everybody.
Cutting the travel time, cutting the fuel consumption.
Exactly. It's going to really help everybody.
For Marine Drive people, it's very satisfying because going to suburbs, it was a task crossing this Haji Ali and all, but now we are very satisfied because that way when the phase 1 started, we were so happy. Yeah. And again this started, so it's very happy.
Experience is complete when you use both the ways. And it is really good for the future generation. They will be at least relieved of the traffic what we are facing.
Shweta, my colleague, joins me for more on this. Shweta, very good morning. Indeed, a greater morning for anybody who would want to potentially access this. And it makes it all the more interesting because travel time also will be cut down. In fact, you're reporting live from there. I see you smile as well. Tell us why this is a big deal and how long it's taken to really come into effect.
Well, Nivedna, very good morning, and I really hope that one day you also travel from this massive mega infrastructure. What we are showing to our viewers, this is the newly opened northbound place which we are showing you from Marine Lines to Haji Ali. In fact, Manoj will be panning his camera so that our viewers can also have a glimpse of Marine Lines over this side. And this is the place where we are reporting from Marine Lines to Haji Ali in 8 minutes. This sounds like a dream for people, those who have spent decades in traffic in Mumbai. And from south towards north, it is just going to take you 8 to 9 minutes, which has indeed cut down the travel time by 45 to 50 minutes. And here we are seeing that this has been recently inaugurated by Chief Minister Eknath Shinde alongside both the DCM Ajit Pawar as well as Devendra Fadnavis. In fact, what we also understand here is that the major attraction is the tunnel, 6.5 kilometer long tunnel, and this is the major part where we are seeing that the travel time will be reduced through the tunnel so that people do not have to take any kind of flyovers and all. As we move ahead, there is a tunnel which is connecting and it will take you towards the flyover. That's the Haji Ali end. What I'm precisely trying to make our viewers pan-India understand is that the time which used to be taken around 50 minutes will be cut down to 8 minutes. This is the infrastructure marvel what civic body BMC has done when it comes to the total cost estimation. That stands around 13,800 crores. But indeed, this was much needed for people. I wish similar things come to Bangalore also. But here we see that people are ensuring that they reach to their offices and the other premises on time. Look at the way the vehicles are passing by. This has just opened just a short while back for general public. And this is going to be a major relief for all the Mumbaikas. In fact, for the peak hours, this has been proving a great boon. The other side is open. From north to south was open. The recently opened one is from south to north. Only a minor section of the project, Coastal Road, is remaining, which will be also completed by July 2024. So by end of July 2024, Nivedna, one can understand the entire Coastal Road project will be open for the general public, bringing a major respite from the traffic woes. 70% of the travel time is being cut. 34% fuel consumption will be cut as per the data that has been provided by BMC to us.
Right, Shweta. In fact, as you get that details for us and you've extended that invitation very sweetly, and I shall take it up. But having said that, you also took a subtle dig with the fact that you hope that Bengaluru will get something similar. It's my home city, and I can tell you we're all divided by cities, but we're united with the concept of traffic when it comes to metropolitan cities. Having said that, very interesting point with the fact that it's not only just talking about what infrastructure marvel that we see where you're reporting from, but more importantly, cutting down travel time, which is something that a citizen would want to look forward to in terms of how you're looking for civic infrastructure, which we've seen crumbling for the past couple of years in big cities as such. But having said that, when you do have such infrastructural structures come into effect, we're also looking at the on-ground reality really change here.
Well, definitely. In fact, just a short while back, we have communicated, in fact, interacted with many of the commuters. We are not allowed to just walk and go inside because there's a vehicle movement here, and every vehicle is standing at 80 km per hour. They are traveling. There's also the deployment of traffic cop here, just to ensure that nobody is crossing the lanes, and this has been newly opened. Now the vehicle will be passing by here. We cannot take a much stroll inside, but just after the patch of near about 400 meters, we see the opening of the tunnel towards that end, and this will be leading to Haji Ali. Now remember, the project has been already done by the government, but to maintain it, just to ensure that the discipline is being followed on road, this is the job of the commuters here, where we see in tunnel, we have also done a depth report there. In tunnel, there are dedicated lanes for bus so that no one should cross the bus lane. There have been other 2 lanes meant for the four-wheelers. There have been several exits so that people can also, people those who are by chance, if somebody is getting down after breaking down of the vehicle, they can take an exit. And also fire extinguishers, major lightings, everything has been provided. This is coming as a great relief for people, those who were seeing the construction going on. The roads were dug up for so long. Here this is coming, the dream has come true, where we see that both the bound from south to north and from north to south has been completed. Only a small section is remaining, as I have mentioned, and soon that will be also getting completed, bringing a huge respite for Mumbaikars when it comes to the travel from town side, that's from down south side to the suburban side. Nivedna.
Right, Shweta. Thank you very much for not only joining us with that, but also showing us why this is very important for pan-India audiences to understand such infrastructural structures as well. But for the moment, we'd have to leave it at that.